Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel, Crafty Lefty. I'm Tanya and I'm so excited to share with you guys today this very simple project. It's really simple and it's a hand sewn project. So yeah, I'm gonna show it to you. Ta-da! So basically, I used felt, alright, and I actually sewed the sides down with blanket stitch, and I just put some buttons. One is for design, one is for to actually clasp it down, and an elastic, and basically it's just this really pretty felt that I found, felt material. And if you like unicorns like I do, this is so cute. So what is this, you must be wondering maybe, or you're gonna ask me about it. I'm just gonna show you. It's basically just a clutch. Let me see. Okay, clutch bag. See, clutch. So you can actually just store your stuff inside or use it as a clutch. Basically, yeah, it's a multi-purpose kind of pouch, but I thought that it would be really cool to actually attempt to sew something that's really fast, simple, looks great, and yeah, and if you want to use a sewing machine, you can go ahead. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, give a thumbs up if you like this video, comment, and share. watching my video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this super simple hand sewn project. So yeah, if there's any questions, you can always drop me an email, DM my Instagram account, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, give a thumbs up if you like this video, comment and share. Till my next video, see you guys.